Hey, how you doing? So, one of my favorite hobbies is going on Google Earth and finding new places to explore. When I've been looking around the area of Long Island, I discovered this. This place used to be a Menhaden fish factory, which was first built in the 1890s and specialized in manufacturing fertilizer. This factory, as well as a larger factory about a mile down the shore, seen here, were both abandoned in the 1960s due to a lack of profit. Now, if I want to get there today, I need to catch a ferry at 4 o'clock, which means we gotta go right now. Late for this ferry.
You know I try so hard, but I think you don't see me, cause I'm moving so fast. We call it rock and rollin'. My weapon seems useless cause you're on to me. You are impossible to read, you're always straight controlling. Oh, 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 it's a lizard. Oh, 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 it's a lizard. Oh, 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 it's a lizard. Gonna do a voodoo dance until you feel my power now. Now dance! Huh. You ain't dancing.
It's currently 7:10. We're here, and we need to get over to the sun setting before sunset, and that's in 15 minutes. Running now. Alright, sunset. We made it to our destination. Down there. Head back. It's getting dark.